I'm excited to introduce you to this month's subscription box. This one we're calling Snow Globe City, and it's inspired by a wintry snow globe scene. It's got lots of beautiful teals and pale blues and tons of silver specialty paper, so you kind of get a taste of all kinds of silver. So let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you exactly what's included in this month's kit. Of course, every Happy Mail kit starts with a beautiful Encore color palette. This month we have Encore Glacier Melt, which is kind of a really pale blue, almost white. We have Lead, we have Sea Glass, Sea Mist, and Waterfall for our Encore color palette. And then moving on to our specialty papers, we have Dotted Swiss and Julep. This has an embossed dot pattern. We have Encore Sea Glass. It's a translucent vellum. We have Star Dream Aquamarine, which is a really pale, kind of light blue tealish color, and it's pearlescent. We have Encore Glitter Luxe in Sky Blue. We have Encore Glitter Luxe in Silver Speckled White. So it's a white glitter cardstock with silver speckles. We have Thai Unryu in white. This is a mulberry paper, and you can see this just looks so much like snow. We have Sirio Pearl in Platinum. This is a silver pearlescent. Miri Holographic Lava in white. This has that cool, like flowing lava pattern. Then we have a couple of silver specialty papers. This is Encore Ice Chips. It's a holographic, kind of looks like broken glass or frosted window. And then we have Mercury. Now this is a totally smooth piece of paper. It blows my mind that it is, because when you look at it, you would swear that it's textured, but it is smooth and it just has a really cool finish. This is Encore Matte Silver. It's a foil paper with a matte finish. And finishing off with Encore Glitter Luxe in silver. This is a glitter paper with those cool sequin glitters. So that is everything included in this month's kit. And of course, every kit also includes mystery items, which you don't know what they are until they arrive, but they perfectly coordinate with the kit, and they're exclusive items. So once they're in the kit, they're gone. They're not regularly in our shop. We kind of envisioned these kits arriving on your doorstep and giving you a curated palette to work with, that everything coordinates, so you don't have to, go to the work of matching things. You can just start creating. But also, if you're still building your stash, this is a great way to just have some help building that stash, choosing specialty papers. Sometimes you might not even know they exist or how cool they are until they show up on your doorstep. Like this Mercury paper is an example of that. And our project this month is these layered snowflake designs cut out of all these specialty papers. You can size these down, use them however you want for gift packaging. Lots of fun ideas. We'll be talking about some fun ways to use them, and I'll show you a couple examples. So that is our project for this month, the free SVG that comes with the kit. So if you are a current subscriber, we hope you love this. It's going to be arriving soon. And if you haven't yet subscribed, this is a great month to start, because this is just an absolutely beautiful kit.